To download Canva image in high quality. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily download Canva image in high quality. So first thing, simply head over to any web browser and simply search in for canva.com. So once you search in for canva.com, just click on the first link and make sure you have successfully signed in to your account. So as you can see, I've already signed into my personal account. So if you have any recent designs, you can click on it, or you can just click on any of these options to create your new post. So since I have already created my design with a photo, I would simply tap on it, and as you can see, there is a photo. So to simply download it on the highest of quality, all you have to do is click on the share button, and from over here just click on download. And as you can see, you have to select your file type, so you can select your file type according to your choice. So for best complex images and illustration, you can select your illustration for PNG, or you can also choose for JPG, as it's the best for sharing. So if you have a premium version of your Canva, you can simply increase the size. Since I don't have premium, I can't do that. So if you have premium version, you can do that by increasing the resolution of the photo quality, and just click on download, and then you'll have successfully downloaded your Canva image on the highest of quality possible. So that is exactly how you do it, guys. So hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.